An interim report by Center for Democratic Development, CDD Ghana, has revealed that infrastructure projects constructed under government's $1 million per constituency initiative lacks transparency. Research analyst at CDD, Gilfred Esiama Boateng, who presented findings of their monitoring, observed there was little or no information about the cost of projects and the contractors involved. Mr. Esiama established that some of the projects are wasting away because of their poor siting within the beneficiary constituencies. He blames this on government's failure to consult community leaders.
The development authorities do not also have any operational guidelines for the implementation of IPEP. So how do you coordinate? How do you coordinate? These are key development actors within Ghana now because they are supposed to receive huge funds to ensure development. So if these things are not there, how do you coordinate to ensure that the development is realized and is beneficial to the people? Worryingly, we realize that bureaucrats, key officials, as I stated earlier, they have information, they know where the projects are, they know some of the projects, but they've been ignored in the selection of project sites and supervision of projects. So their knowledge is limited to where the projects are and what are the projects. But when it comes to key decisions around selecting the appropriate project sites, these people have been ignored. When it comes to supervision, so what they do is to monitor. Some will say, well, we're going around, we know this project is here, so we go about and then see how it is going. But they can't hold anybody to account. Again, there is lack of transparency in contract information and other technical documents. So they don't have the site plans. Even the MMDCs don't have the site plans. They know the project, they know where it is going. They don't have the site plans, they don't have the contract documents. So when they are going, they just go see what is going on, but they can't have any detailed information for them to interrogate how these projects are being implemented. Kwawu South constituency in Eastern region, how far the Lord has brought them, you haven't seen much progress in completing this project. So we have this, and maybe we will discuss this. Have you seen the picture here? So this is Bepong Clinic, and they have done this water facility for them, but the facility cannot be used.
Mayor Chief Technical Advisor at the Ministry of Monitoring and Evaluation, Andre Sibe, says the survey does not paint the true picture.
Also through the presentation, they outline a number of the projects that were completed, those ongoing, and so those are the various stages of completion. So one would definitely argue that I think it was a fair assessment to let Ghanaians appreciate the level of progress as regards to the implementation of IPEP.
Oh, no, I mean, certainly, but remember, they stopped in February 2020, and we are in September. So in between, a lot could have taken place. So they may have to go back and see whether some of the observations they made still pertain. That's the message I was trying to give them.
And for the ministry, do you think that between February and now, there has been some progress, massive progress?
Absolutely, absolutely, because our assessment, the rapid assessment of One Village, One Dam went beyond February. And the interviews we had indicated that the beneficiaries appreciate the efforts of government to, provide them with water to sustain their agricultural activities and so on.